At first, the ratio of number of boys to girls in the chess club was 4:1. After 6 boys and 6 girls joined the club, the ratio became 3:1. Now, is it we have learned three types of change ratio. One is one quantity unchanged. The second one is total unchanged, which is the kind of question I give you, you give me. The third kind is the difference stays the same. It means that if I grow old by 1 year, you are also going to grow old by 1 year. So in this case, this is the third kind of change ratio, whereby you have an increase of 6 boys and 6 girls, which is the same, which means that the difference will always be the same. So in this case, it's change ratio. The difference is the same. So your strategy is to make the difference the same. But before that, we have learned to do your BHA, whereby we put all the information there. So you are going to have the boys is to girls, 4:1. The happening is plus 6 boys, plus 6 girls. So this will tell you that, oh, it's change ratio, make the difference the same. After ratio, the boys is to girls became 3:1. So the difference here will be 3. The difference here will be 2. So in order to make the difference the same, you will have to times. You have to times 3, times 3, times 2, times 2. You will get 8:2. Over here, you will get 6 times 3, 9:2. Oh, no, wait. Times 2. Oh, yes. Times 2, times 3, 9:3. All right, so you can see that the boys increase, and then after that, the percentage of the members who are boys increase, decrease, or remain the same. So I want you to see, originally I had 8. All right, and then after that, I have 9. So if you are unable to reason it out, we can still do it by the difference over the original times 100%. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, the percentage who are boys increase or decrease or remain the same. So I want you to see the before. We're going to focus on the before. Let me change my color so that you can know that I'm doing the percentage. I have my 8 units of boys over my total. Total, I have 10 units times 100. I'll get 80%. The next one, I would have 9 out of 9, 10, 11, 12. Because I have a total of 12, so my percentage of members who are boys, you must remember percentage of something. This will be the denominator, this will be the numerator. So it will be times 100. So 9 out of 12 is 3/4. Times 100, you are going to get 75%. So did the percentage of boys increase or decrease? It actually decreased, because from 80% it went down to 75%. So for the first answer for part A is decrease. Now for those pupils who actually guessed your answer, right, you will need to prove it, because this question is not like just by luck you will be able to get A1 like that. You will still need to be able to prove it, because there's, even if you get decrease, you just write it. But if you did not show working, there is 0 mark. It's because this question there's only three different answers: increase, decrease, remain the same. So this one you will need proof as how you get decrease. Okay, so let's go to part B. In the end, how many boys were there in the club? Now you know that for a fact that the boys from 8 units become 9 units. There is a change of 1 unit. The change of 1 unit will represent the 6 boys that joined. So the question was, how many boys were there in the end, right? The boys in the end had 9 units. So you just do 9 times 6, you will get 54. So the answer will be 54 for the boys who joined, who were in the club at the end.